In this video, I will teach you about coincidence instruction. Coincidence instruction is used in Fanuc PLC ladder. It will look like this. Coincidence instruction checks whether the value of input data address is matches to value of comparison data address. Okay. See, this is input. This is sorry. This is input data address and this is comparison data address. Okay. When you have to set the preset input data address first. Okay, let's say here R register R320 is there. See, in R register R320, assume that value will be 5. Value is 5. Now currently value is 5 in R320 register. Okay, when in our comparison data register here R701, whenever in R701 5 value comes means this is on. Okay, so you already set value in R320 input data register. Sorry, input register. This is not data, this is R address. Input register, you set R3 in R320 already 5 value is there. Suppose in output data register, output register R701, a value 5 comes means both equal, no, then output is on. Otherwise, here suppose a value 3 is means in R701 value 3 is means 3 means the output is not on, output is off. So this instruction checks whether the input data address, the value of input data address is matches with output register. Okay. This instruction we will use in two methods. See, I have used here input as a address. Okay. Input data register. Okay. Input register as a address I am using here. When I make here 0001. Okay. So when I make 000 all 0 here, last 0, all 0, then here 5 will come. I can enter, instead of entering a register, I direct enter value here 5. Okay, like this you can use this instruction. See, let me show you. I will insert this instruction in sub 16. See, if you go sub 16 here, insert, and now I will make here BYT. See here BYT, if you make BYT 0, the input data and comparison data size is in BCD 2-digit code. Okay, if you make here 1, BCD 4-digit code. So assume that I am using BCD 2-digit code. So I will make it 0. So 0, this is always 1. Okay, and ACT, when you have to on this, you add input. Example, when this input on, this instruction is executed. Here output. See, now it is all 0. So here last 0 is there. Okay, so last 0, I can enter value here direct 5 and R70 output address, and this is output bit. Example R200.200.4. C. So whenever here come input data value is constant now. Okay, for you. So whenever in register R701 for you value comes means both equal and output is on. And whenever in register R701 value 3 is means, or other than for you value means output is not on. Okay, so this is I am using coincidence instruction as a input data address as a constant value direct. So when I make address, see, I will make copy this, paste. So now I will make here 1. See, now I have to enter an address. Okay, you can take any address. See, as my 320R 320 I will use like this. Okay, so when I set here 5 always in here already 5 value is there in input data address. Whenever a 5 value comes in R701, then output is on. Otherwise, other than 5 value here means output is not on. Okay, you add comment here. So this is input data address. Right click. This is input data address. Okay, and this is output data address. output address. Okay, output address out, like this you can add. And here this is input signal. So when this signal on, this instruction execute. Okay, and this is output, comparison output bit. Okay, it is on only when a value of R320 is equal to R701. Okay, like this. So you understood, like this instruction will work. Coincidence instruction in Fanuc PLC ladder.